Hello everyone, I'm Vivian from Indonesia.
Hi, I'm Xian from China. We are second-year SPD students in IDE.
Well, Sujian, I miss the feel studying at IDE and the casual interaction like chill out with friends or have a small talk.
Yeah, me too. I'm sad that even the new students cannot come to IDE campus because of the pandemic. The current online culture is only for academic purpose and has less sense of excitement.
Yes, I know, right? Some of my friends also feel very lonely and at home. What to do?
Let's bring IDE casual interaction online for them to support each other.
But how to do that?
Well, maybe we can use online Onion model plus Kaltura to better understand IDE offline casual interactions. And then we can interview new master students who just arrived in Netherlands during the pandemic.
Sounds good. For the symbol in the onion models, I remember there are the IDE casual interaction before the corona that we miss. Things like getting a coffee, having a lunch break together, get a beer at IDE cafe. I also remember about meeting the student association and guest lecture to inspire me. Also the ritual that we have in IDE such as potluck dinner, mentoring program and ID cafe every Wednesday. ID culture is diverse, social, and I feel the sense of belonging in there.
Next, with Kaltura, we can better understand IDE cultural values and how the social interactions are formulated. Individual identity being helpful and open to share are the underlying rules of the casual interactions. The interactions are formulated either by study group, interest, cultures, activities, or even by chance. Students are playing diverse roles during interactions, including initiators, facilitators, reactors, and newcomers.
Last, we talked to the first year international master student to understand their fictions and needs. We got some inspirations from our first year friends. We know their background, their experience in online casual interaction, and their motivation. We identified four insights followed by the design opportunities. First, student needs diverse environment where they can sense and get inspiration from. Therefore, we need to inspire students with diverse environment online. Secondly, people feel that online environment limit their choice on and freedom. So we need to enable this in the networking system. Thirdly, online is more for serious work. How to make an online environment more than just work mode. Lastly, we found that facilitation to be in the same interest group is the enablers for online experience. Based on three studies, we take into account the main insights in our ideation process.
From these main insights, we reformulate our design challenge to fulfill two main needs. First, we need to inspire individuals to self-develop and become more creative in a diverse environment. Second, we need to engage students being in a group to help them get supported and motivated. When talking about these two needs, naturally, we think the best moments to intervene are the breaks of students in IDE, such as lunch breaks, coffee breaks, and etc. And that's how we came up with the idea, IDE Inspire, an app to help IDE students to get inspired in their breaks by talking with different people. They will have the chance to meet up around the digital table for their interest. But how does it work? First, you need to log in. If you have a specific topic, you can create a table and start a conversation now. But if you just want to walk around and chill a bit, you can scroll down to see what is happening now and who are in the table for what kind of topics. For sure, you can always filter your interest, like lunch break or social design. Then you can see all relevant tables. If you find something interesting and there are still some seats, then simply click on it and join the live video call and meet with our inspiring people. If nothing fits your interest, you can create your own table or things you like. You can invite people to your call or just make it public and start it now. The app offers a digital space for students to get inspired by small talks in their breaks, not being stuck in their own room anymore. It brings the IDE community online and is only for IDE students developed by the university. Last, all the meetups are designed by students, so they don't need to follow a schedule but define their own topics and start talks at any moment. So how to get there? First, we need to team up and do some pilots by using the Zoom. Next, we need to build the real apps based on the user feedbacks. And last we can launch and implement the solution. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.